In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place, type, format, and adjust text so your boards are clear and polished. Start by opening your Miro dashboard and choosing the board where you want to add text. Give it a moment to load and set your zoom to a comfortable level so you can see exactly where you'll place your content. A clean, focused view makes everything easier. Next, look to the left toolbar and select the text tool. It's the icon that looks like a capital T. If you don't see it right away, click the three-dot More Tools button to expand the list, then pick the text tool from there. Once it's selected, your cursor is ready for placing a text box. Click anywhere on the board to place your text box. Miro will create it exactly where you clicked, and it will be ready for you to start typing right away. Don't worry about perfect placement at this point. You can move it or resize it later. Now, type the text you want to add. Keep your message concise and clear so it's easy for others to scan. If you need to add more context or a headline, you can always add additional text boxes later, but for now, just enter the words you want visible in this spot. After you've typed your text, you can customize it using the toolbar at the top. Change the font size to make a heading stand out, adjust the color to match your board's theme, and set the alignment to left, center, or right, depending on how you want it to read. These options help your content look consistent and professional. If your text is long, consider increasing the size of the box so it's easier to read at a glance. To resize the text box, click and drag the edges of the box. You'll see the text reflow automatically as you adjust the width or height. This is helpful for keeping lines tidy and preventing awkward breaks. To move the text box, click once to select it, then drag it to a new spot on the board. Use your grid or alignment guides, if visible, to keep everything neatly arranged. If you're organizing several text boxes, leave consistent spacing so your layout feels balanced. That's it. You've opened your board, selected the text tool, placed a text box, typed your content, customized the formatting, and moved or resized the box as needed. Save your changes, and you're ready to keep building your Miro board with clear, readable text.